Hi, welcome to East Coast Travel on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you another interesting fact of Bangkok. Bangkok is a very big city, one of the biggest city in Asia, and they also have a big traffic jam too. Millions of cars, motorcycles travel around here in many roads of Bangkok, in and out. It goes from place to place. But one interesting that quite strange of Bangkok is, you heard, I already took this footage maybe 1 or 2 minutes already. Yes, it's about 1 minute already. You heard the traffic, but no honking. No honking. I mean, all car and motorcycle, they are equipped with the electric horn. I mean, they can honking to like other country. But in Thailand, in Bangkok, especially in the Bangkok, you see, no honking. No car give honking as to give a warning to other car. Nothing at all. Nothing happened. Why? Thai friend of mine told me that because to honking, to keep out the electric horn blow is like absolutely impolite in the Thai concept. So unless they do something really bad or quite in the real close or near miss situation, so they're going to honking. But right now there's no honking, no at all. Even from the big car, small car, no honking. But when you travel to, Delhi in India, or you travel to Ho Chi Minh City in the southern part of Vietnam, or in the other city of Vietnam, in the big city in China, you see the real difference. This is the real difference. Some people said it's quite unthinkable. I don't know. It's mean like usually the honking will be good to give a warning to the other car on the road that you are coming on the way or something like that. But here is nothing. So you travel, you rent a car and travel around Thailand. So the honking, please keep in mind, the honking is a serious business. Unless unless you mean serious, you don't do that. That, or sometimes you might heard it, but they just keep out the honking briefly, short period, no long tail honking or whatever. See, I took this footage almost 4 minutes on the road. This is the La Pao road, and we haven't heard anything. See, when the traffic stops, it's quiet. Nothing. No honking as a sign of frustration. No honking as a sign of burning. No honking at all. Nothing. Quite strange. Whatever it is, it's quite strange. I feel so strange. It's so silent. Yeah, when traffic stops, it's so silent. Then you heard the car, you heard the wind blowing, you heard the other thing. Just a bit honking. I think from one of motorcycle. I'm not sure that my camera can record that brief honking from the motorcycle, but just once. I hope this might be useful. And share this with fellow traveler when you travel to Asian country, especially since to the Southeast Asian country. They are different country by country, different region by region, and it's quite fascinating to travel in this area, and the food are good too. Okay, thanks for watching. It's called Travel on YouTube. EASTCODETIAVL. Bye for now.